Welcome to Mitson.com, your hub for Udemy discount coupons up to 100%. Need top freelancers for your business? Mitson has got you covered. Also, connect with expert instructors for enriching online classes. Start learning and growing today with Mitson.com. Do like and subscribe.
Hi everyone, I am from Mitson Learning and today I want to talk about a course that can help you streamline your daily tasks and boost your productivity, Automate, on Udemy. Course objectives. In today's fast-paced world, we all struggle to keep up with our never-ending to-do lists. This course aims to change that by teaching you how to automate repetitive tasks, freeing up your time for more meaningful work. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking to streamline your daily routine, this course has something for you. Targeted audience. This course is perfect for anyone looking to improve their productivity and efficiency. If you find yourself spending hours on tedious, repetitive tasks, this course can help you automate those processes and regain control of your time. It's also great for anyone interested in learning more about programming and automation, as it provides a solid foundation in these topics. Course content. The Automate course is divided into several modules, each focusing on a different aspect of automation. Here's a brief overview of what you can expect to learn. Module 1. Introduction to automation. In this module, you'll learn what automation is and why it's beneficial. You'll also discover the different types of automation and how they can be applied to various tasks. Module 2. Basic programming concepts. Here, you'll gain a foundational understanding of programming concepts such as loops, conditions, and variables. These concepts are essential for creating effective automation scripts. Module 3. Automating repetitive tasks. This module focuses on automating common, repetitive tasks such as file management, data processing, and social media scheduling. You'll learn how to create scripts and use various tools and platforms to streamline these tasks. Module 4. Integrating APIs. APIs, or application programming interfaces, are a powerful way to automate tasks. In this module, you'll learn how to use APIs to retrieve and manipulate data, as well as how to integrate them into your automation scripts. Module 5. Error handling and debugging. No automation process is without errors, and this module will teach you how to anticipate and handle errors in your scripts. You'll also learn techniques for debugging your scripts to identify and fix any issues that may arise. Overall impressions. Throughout the course, you'll have the opportunity to apply your knowledge through hands-on projects and exercises. By the end of the course, you'll have a solid understanding of automation and how to apply it to your own life and work. The course is taught by an experienced programmer and automation expert, who provides clear and concise explanations, making even complex concepts easy to understand. The course is also packed with practical examples and real-world applications, ensuring that you'll leave with valuable skills that you can apply immediately. Conclusion. If you're tired of spending hours on tedious tasks and want to boost your productivity, I highly recommend checking out the Automate course on Udemy. With its comprehensive curriculum and hands-on approach, you'll gain valuable skills that will save you time and help you work more efficiently.
Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button for more information. See you in the next video.